7 in the morning, headed to Chicago for the Slingfest at the new terminal for LaGuardia. Check this out. Tell me that's not crazy. It's like a whole different place here. High tech, high end. It's nice. Just landed. First time in Chicago. Heading out. What do I think about flying Southwest? I'd rather take a New York City bus. No, train is worse. I think the bus is more equivalent to a flight on Southwest. What up, man? Everybody all over the place, man. I'm in Chicago. You got visitors from Milwaukee.
Man.
Oh.
Everybody everywhere.
Visitors from Milwaukee?
He got a visitor.
Visitors with an S? Okay, all right, so it's just one, okay. Yeah, I figured that. I was just, you know, stretching it out.
She gonna say some word. Ain't nobody calling your name. Who is Jackie? I'm talking about Jackie Chan new movie on Netflix.
Rush Hour 6.
Yeah, hook it up. Cheese and everything. This is Satchel's beef and pizza. I'm trying it out for the first time. Put it in the vlog. Yes, sir. See what it's like. Wait. I'm gonna record this.
Just to... Oh my god, they gotta wrap it like 7 times. Look at this fun thing.
No, I thought you was gonna have to run. I'm fine. You sure? Alright, I'm gonna sit down and try this. Alright, here you go. I'm trying it first. Huh?
No, you're trying. If you're recording it, you're trying.
I'm recording it. I'm gonna try it first. This is oh my god, it's dripping.
I know. I'm afraid to eat it. That's why I want to eat it.
Italian beef. Oh my god. Wait, first I gotta show what it looks like.
Maybe they don't give you. Oh, they're very good. I got it. Yeah, you try it first.
Here we go.
That thing is, look at that.
Oh.
Let me try it. Good?
Mm-hmm.
I normally just have meat and cheese, that's it. I don't eat peppers and all that stuff, so.
They got everything on it. Pickles in there and everything. That's good. It is
it's like chopped cheese.
it is the equivalent of the chopped cheese, but the meat is different.
It's ground beef. The meat is ground beef.
Gotcha. Okay.
With cheese, and then you can put onions and peppers in it.
Now that sounds good too. That definitely sounds
This raspberry tea is banging. Alright, one more bite.
No, you need to pack that on first.
Yeah, I know.
They got like 7 papers holding the juice.
I usually don't like celery, but it does something to it.
Celery?
Celery on there?
No.
There is celery on there.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's in like their jardinera like mixed thing. How they do their jardinera pepper or whatever.
It's a mess though. You gotta have skills.
So you gotta keep that thing wrapped up in that foil and peel it back.
You're right.
You gotta do it gyro style.
I'm taking one
There you
bite.
go.
Yep.
That's gyro style. Alright.
Oh, gosh.
So I had it. It was good. Shout out to my boy Scat.
In that order.
Indeed.
Now you gotta try something else.
Oh well, I got a few days. I got a few days. I'm gonna be trying some Chicago eats. It'll be part of the vlog.
You got the hood classics. You
gotta compare the pizza, New York pizza.
So that's the thing. That's the thing. I don't
Right?
really know.
The big debate.
What up, everybody? This is Keith from YouTube. I'm over here in Spyder, Chicago, checking out the Slingfest. You got to see this thing is crazy. The Slingshot's amazing. These guys and girls spending hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars on these slings. So check it out as I walk around, show you all the cool stuff they got out here.
For all you Sling mod lovers, I got somebody here that's in the background that you may not see, but I'm gonna let him come up here and explain to you what he do, what his company is about. Come on here, Show Chrome, let's go.
Hello everybody, thank you, Chicago, South and South, it's been wonderful. I'm here repping the brand Show Chrome. Some of you guys might know me from Can-Am. Some of you guys might know me from the Can-Ams. I'm a brand ambassador for Can-Am, but I also rep the company Show Chrome. I can see some of you guys already have the parts. If you purchase some Sling mods, we're a company that supplies Sling mods, the Monster, and a lot of companies. A lot of dealerships where you buy your accessories. So today we came out. We wanted to participate in the show, so we brought a $200 gift card for the winner of the contest. He's going to determine which his contest is going to be. And if you guys are interested, we're always designing new products, putting out new products. So if any of y'all are interested and want to come on to the staff, we're looking for people who ride and just to want to debut any of our products or just test our products. Just let me know. I got a little sign-up email for you. And once again, thank you on behalf of Show Chrome. Thank you everybody for inviting me out.
All right, my man Keith with Show Chrome. Y'all show him some love. I'm from the
Take it over.